How to make laptop like new again, full reset. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your laptop like new again, or how you can full reset your laptop. So first of all, you need to open the Windows from here, and you have to click on the settings option from here, and then you just have to click on the system, and you have to just scroll down and click on the recovery option, and then you just have to simply click on the reset PC. And here you can see two options popped up. That's keep my files, removes app and settings, but keeps your personal files, and remove everything, removes all of your personal files, apps and settings. So if you have a backup of your files, you can just click on remove everything. And if you don't have backup of your personal files, you just have to click on keep my files, and after that uh, the reset will begin. So I'm not resetting my laptop now. I'm just showing you how you can full reset. So then the laptop will restart several times and fully reset your laptop, and then you can find your laptop like new again. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.